से पहले कि ये व्लॉग चालू हो, मैं सारे बड़ों को जो ये व्लॉग देखेंगे, मेरी माँ, किसी और की माँ, नानी, दादी, आई नो लॉट ऑफ़ यू वॉच इट, हेलो, हाय, प्रणाम। व्लॉग में बहुत गाली गलौज होने वाली है अनफॉर्चुनेटली। प्लीज़ देख के डांटना मत, ना अपने बच्चों को ना मुझे। हम गाली ना देने की कोशिश करते हैं बट समटाइम्स निकल जाती है, और कोई भी छोटा बच्चा देख रहा है तो गाली नहीं देना चाहिए। इट्स अ वेरी बैड थिंग। ओके, बाय। Vlog starts with us going to the railway station at crack as of dawn at 4 a.m. and फिर हम जयपुर में लैंड हुए at 9 a.m. बट हमारा चेक इन था 12 p.m. का, तो तब तक हम मंडरा रहे थे। We got like 3 autos between 10 people. Do you guys want to say hi to my vlog? That's Divyanshi, that's Valya, Shreya. अब हम जा रहे हैं हमारे हॉस्टल, दैट इज हॉस्टलर MI रोड। Should I not be revealing my location? Probably. पहुँच के बताती हूँ। हम पहुँच गए हॉस्टल। तो आई मीन इट्स अ वेरी प्रिटी हॉस्टल, नो डाउट, बट द ओनली डाउनसाइड इज देयर इज नो लिफ्ट।
But there was just so much wrong with the hostel. The owner was creepy. The crowd was so the staff was so disrespectful. They actually ended up picking a fight with one of my friends there. They और वहाँ के staff की लड़ाई हो गई थी, in which we were right. We were so right in that fight. And all in all, it's just a bad experience. Don't go there. If our AC broke down, it was unsafe for us girls to be there, especially in any sort of revealing clothing, because they were shamelessly staring at us. That was not cute.
हेलो, हम जा रहे हैं ब्रेकफास्ट स्लैश ब्रंच के लिए कृष्णा होटल। वी डोंट नो वाई डोंट, बस भूख लगी है। अभी हमारा चेक इन हुआ नहीं है, चल रहा है। अभी हम खाना खाने जा रहे हैं। कामाक्षी, ऋतुजा, मानसी, हम कर रहे हैं देव का वेट ऑटो के लिए। हम जा रहे हैं नारगढ़ फोर्ट, राइट?
I think I've been in every
You've been in
video
a
of
lot of vlogs.
Hi guys, I'm
ये फर्स्ट ईयर से है मेरे साथ, बस है।
yeah, I am there.
छुपो मत कामाक्षी। हमारे ऑटो वाले ने एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग कमेंट पास किया है। ही वाज लाइक, लड़के ना पिचक के बैठ जाते, लड़कियां बहुत जगह घेर कर बैठती है। उसके छाती पे बैठ जाऊँ, मज़ा ही आ जाएगा।
Sexist और body shaming दोनों साथ में कर दिया।
लेट्स गो अंकल, यू आर कूल।
So no, I'm not like very good at vlogging. So this is just us going to Nahargarh Fort. We had to switch 3 autos because ऊपर चढ़ान पे जाने के लिए एक अलग होता है। Then हम बीच में खाना खाने रुक गए थे।
गाइस, ऑटो नंबर 2 देव की जगह फिक्स्ड है। हम पहुंच गए हैं। क्या था ये? क्या था ये? नहार व्हाटएवर। तो हमने साथ में ली है ये। इट इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड स्पाइसी। टिकट्स कहाँ से ले? हम फोर्ट के अंदर नहीं जा रहे बिकॉज इट्स लाइक एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस और व्हाटएवर। Instead we are here and it's so pretty. I have a shitty camera quality, but हमारी नज़रों में बहुत सुंदर दिख रहा है ये। कामाक्षी वर्सेस वाइल्ड।
हाइट बहुत दिक्कत की बात हो रही है। सकता है
भाई तू काली हो जाएगी।
ISO शटर सब
हाँ मैंने अभी करके।
फोटोग्राफर देव, मॉडल हम सब।
रुक जा भाई।
मेयर ऑडियंस जो सनसेट देखने आया है बस।
मेरी आँख में कुछ चला, बट सन वेरी नाइस है।
ये कौन सा क्रिकेट चल रहा है बेंच इतने सारे लोगों में?
एंजॉय कर रहे हैं भाई, वो लाइफ।
40-50 लोग क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं साथ में।
भाई काटे। अब हम जा रहे हैं वापस। वील गेट सम फूड एंड शेड। अभी ना हम लोग आर्टिसन से कॉल पे बात कर रहे थे। पीपल वी आर सपोज टू गो एंड वर्क विद ब्लू पॉटरी। one of my friends that called, she said a blue pot, she's about to say potty, और हम सब बहुत बुरा हंस दिए। हम कहाँ रुके थे अभी? क्या था वो? हवा महल के सामने रुके थे अभी अपन।
जल महल।
हाँ, हम ना जल महल के सामने रुके थे। अगर आप जाओ, टीकू से पानी पूरी मत खाना, बहुत ही बैड पानी पूरी है। गोला अच्छा था। इट इज 40 रुपीज। लॉर्ड डोंट से दैट, आई एट दैट। गोला खा सकते हो, नाइस था। गन्ने का जूस वॉज वेरी नाइस। बस वो पानी पूरी नहीं खानी, बहुत बैड है। मुझे डर लग रहा है मैं बीमार हो जाऊंगी वो खा के। अब हम जा रहे हैं। नहीं यार, स्ट्रॉन्ग इम्यून है। बचपन में मैं मिट्टी खाती थी, मुझे भी लग।
I did not exactly daily vlog the next few days, but we went to Bapu Bazaar. This is our work site where we were going every day, and this man was so fucking cool. And a lot of tea happened, which I do further reveal in the video, so keep watching for that. and we just had so much work and हम लोग constantly रोज़ 1.5 घंटा up down कर रहे थे. But there is a restaurant called Silk Root and it has the most amazing ramen bowl and sushi. So these are my amazing group mates working so hard and we've given our all to this project.
अपना एसी फट चुका है.
हमारे लौड़े ही लगेगा अगर ऐसे बात करो. एसी भी भैं कर रहा है. अपने वाला फोन नहीं उठा रहा. दो जगह जाना है बेंच.
This was our last night together and it was so weird to spend 10 days with these guys, have so many memories and then go back. And then I went to meet my best friend Khushi Didi and then we ran back home because home sweet home. And then we had to come back again and I was not ready for that. But here we are.
I'm almost done with my packing. This is weird. I leave day after tomorrow, early morning 4. My jury is in 5 days. I don't know what the is wrong with our management. But excuse me. थोड़ा पहले से बताना होता है जुरी है. This idiot just goes up like our junior assistant. He परसों उठ के बोलता है कि बेटा तुम्हारी 8 को जुरी है. ये चीज़ तुमने पहले नहीं बतानी थी. I go there on 5th. अगर मुझे पता होता कि जुरी 8th की है तो मैं शायद थोड़ी पहले की टिकट्स बुक कर दी. Because there is a lot of work that needs to be done. हम सब 4 या 5 को पहुंच रहे हैं. मैं 5 को दोपहर को पहुंचू. I'm gonna I think be the latest one to reach there.
This is us going to the printers. We went again 5 in an auto, stuffed up, and we spent our entire day there. City में जाके सामान भी ले आए, सब कर लिया. This is our printout, and it was like okay, wind day. I could not complain. And this is us going back again.
गाइस जल्दी हाय बोलो, इससे पहले कोई मेरा फोन खींच के आ जाए. तू बोलते बोलते तूने सर पकड़ लिया ऐसे और तू धीरे धीरे बैठना स्टार्ट हो गया और तू बैठ के सर पकड़े बैठी है. फिर हम तब तक इनपुट दे देंगे तब तक तू ले लेगी.
मतलब जैसे हम शुरुआत में एक्टिंग करेंगी.
कुछ नहीं हुआ, नॉर्मल है. नहीं हम तेरे कंधे पे हाथ रखेंगे.
उसके बाद फुसफुसाना शुरू करेंगे.
अरे ये फेक हो जाएगा. कंधे पे हाथ रखना है. मैं तेरे कंधे पे हाथ रखूंगी, तेरे चेहरा पकड़ूंगी, तेरे तू गिर जाएगी. मैं ऐसे पकड़ूंगी.
ओहो.
और सीरियसली उसके बाद
ये कैप्चर करा
मैं कर रही हूँ ना. करना है. एक बार तो बेहोश होने की कोशिश कर. खड़े होके फ्रॉम द टॉप.
कोई नहीं, सब सीरियस है. फर्स्ट चेयर इज राइट. उसे रुमाल दे दियो अपना.
हाँ तू कर. तू बेहोश हो.
रुमाल दे दियो.
मुल्तानी मिट्टी आगे.
भाई सब
सीरियसली मैं कर रहा हूँ. मैं
चलो हम तो उधर देख रहे होंगे ना.
हम उधर देख रहे हैं.
हम तो अपना डॉक्यूमेंटेशन
हम डॉक्यूमेंटेशन एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं. ऐसे नीचे देखो और ऐसे इसको
अब तू हो बेहोश.
हम एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं. हाँ, so the original
या
in the 1950s, Tripal Singh Shekhawat led the crowd with the help of Brigadier Kamaldev. And he
बहुत ड्रामेटिक हो गया.
हाथ पकड़ लिया.
और उसके बाद फिर थोड़ा ऐसे दीवार की तरफ जाइए और उसके बाद फिर ना ऐसे थोड़ा घुटना उठना में पकड़ के उसके बाद
अरे दीवार बहन दीवार.
देखिए दीवार है ऐसे पकड़ के और दीवार पे बैठ के ऐसे ऐसे. तो पहले थोड़े से हल्का होकर स्टेप बैक फॉरवर्ड
हो फ्रॉम द टॉप.
Origin and the history of the Tripal Singh Shekhawat revived the craft in the 1950s with the help of Gayatri Devi. ये बहुत एक्टिंग हो रही है. नहीं
दिस इज अस बिफोर जुरी. और ये सब फ्रेम में.
एक और चीज़ है.
Okay, before we further go into the video, I would like to acknowledge and give you all the tea about what all happened. By no means was our CRD all fun and chill. It was not easy by any means. Let's start from the start of everything that went wrong. The hostel was creepy as fuck. I'm so thankful we had Dave, our token man in the group. Me and him were so brother sister coded. मैंने उस आदमी को मारा भी है, उसको गालियाँ भी निकाली है, and he slept right above me on the bunk. I did unnecessarily and wantingly kicked his bed way too many times just to piss him off. He's been very patient, more than he's capable of, and he was very active in the group. Then there was this big misunderstanding about our artisans, and it was a very big deal because we were two groups with the same topic. और अगर हम दोनों के source of information same होते तो plagiarism में बहुत दिक्कत आती है. And if your document is more than 10% plagiarized, it is then denied. Luckily हमारा सिर्फ 3% आया. Thank
got to the group effort that we put in to make sure कि कुछ plagiarism check ना निकले. Okay, so we had to keep changing our artisan, and it was not easy because if your source of information keeps changing for a primary research, it is very hard for us to keep a track, keep research, all of that, and सबकी information obviously vary होगी from artisan to artisan. So that was such a big issue. After we finally got an artisan, हमारा artisan गांव के ऐसे कोने में था जहाँ ऑटो के अलावा कुछ नहीं जाता था. Buses जाती थी, but the buses were so horrible. And it was just so not efficient for us. It was quite expensive, but we had to do it because love assignment. And the compensation that we are getting, DSA as we say, was next to nothing, and it did not cover anything. So yeah, that was amazing. It was not easy by any means. Okay, so one of the artisans that we did get assigned to in the beginning, they did not have any information. It was so frustrating because our entire document sort of is based on what the artisan tells us. Their work was also like not real. They were copying and using cheaper means. खुर्जा बना रहे थे और उसको blue pottery का नाम दे रहे थे. That at the last day when we were like अब नहीं जाना है because we got whatever information they had, and they gave us so much like misinformation pro max. They were like हम बैगन से कलर निकाल रहे हैं, हम गली के किनारे जिंदा गिलहरियों की पूंछ काट लेते. And that man just went into his entire life story telling that he's a fraud chemist, and we were like listen sir, we would not like to be accomplice of this crime, आप अकेले रहो. Anyways, so all of that happened, and they called us one day. And since we had this habit of keeping our recorders on and making notes and making videos constantly, we got this on tape of them saying that if we don't get paid by your college, and it was like आपस का मामला between the college and the artist, and the student should not have been dragged in that, but उन्होंने हमको घसीटा obviously, and they were like if we don't get paid, we unfortunately will have to ask you to pay us, otherwise we will like take away whatever we gave you, whatever information, and जो भी हमने तुमको practice करने दिया, हम वो सारे मटेरियल के भी पैसे लेंगे and all of that. And we are mere students, it's not our job to look into the billing process of whatever. At the like, thank God we recorded that, and we did send it to our mentor who amazingly and graciously took care of it, but that was just not very nice of him. उसके बाद we went to a different artisan. His son was also an ass, but again we got all of it on tape, so we had proof of what was actually going on. पता है आखिरी में क्या हुआ? The artisan's family, once our main artisan left, he had some work in the city, so he went. The entire family started acting sus as. They would just ghost us in real life. They would just leave. There is like one clip in the video where Mansi, Dev and Rituja are like talking, and we were talking like in whispers because we were trying to understand what's happening. Also at the same time there was this other group who was doing their work, and we did not want to interrupt their work. वो हमारे में interrupt करे ऐसा हम चाहते ही नहीं थे, so we kept our paths quite separated from the start. Oh my god, the amount of mess that went in. I don't know what else. There is probably more that happened in the trip that I'm completely forgetting. I just remember the good parts because as I said, the group was so patient. We were so like हम लोग हर moment हंस रहे थे, ही हा कर रहे थे, no matter how serious it is. Till it came to the last and we had to start printing our document, and हमारा document दुनिया जहान से बड़ा बना था. हम उसको hard drive में लेकर गए थे हमारे printer के पास, and उसमें भी ऐसा हुआ that we could not finish our document on time, so that meant कि हमारे पास printing का time नहीं बचा था. It was like 24 hours before our jury that we had to go and print. उसमें भी at night we tried our like best for 30-40 minutes straight. We are like begging to God that we find an auto wala so they can go and get things printed, because honestly he was our main source of communication with the printer, because our printer was a misogynistic ass, but he did our work, so I'm not gonna complain. I'm just gonna, sometimes you gotta pick your battles. So they was constantly in communication with him. He was supposed to go and get things print, but then the auto wala fucking ditched us in the last moment. When he was there, he was like मैं वापस नहीं लाऊंगा आपको. What do you mean वापस नहीं लाऊंगा? वो वहाँ जाके छोड़ देने वाला था देव को, and that was obviously not safe because रात के 10 बज रहे थे. Then the next morning, all of us went there and got things printed. जुरी वाले दिन सुबह हमारा document पहुंचा. Then we had to go and get prints. Thankfully our group was last. End up having our document in hand. But जो ऐसी फटी हुई थी ना उस moment की, what happens if our document is not in hand? If we don't have our document, the entire jury does not happen. We fail. That was very scary. And उसके बाद I did not record anything for the next jury. Second jury was external jury, and it was like so much more serious, and it was just not nice to shove a camera in my teammates' faces while we were doing that. For me, a project is more about the people, not about the. I mean, it is about the work, but it really matters what kind of people and what kind of chemistry you have with those people. And I thankfully had great chemistry with everyone. हम सब ने गलतियाँ भी की है, हम सब के फ्लॉज भी थे. हमने एक दूसरे के सारे फ्लॉज, सारे लाइक पॉजिटिव्स नेगेटिव्स साथ में लेकर एक दूसरे की स्ट्रेंथ समझकर काम किया कि ओके, this is your strength, you do this is your strength, you do that. And I think that is what makes a group work. We did not kill each other at the end, because trust me, CRD makes you want to kill each other, because you've just like working so much in the groups. It was just amazing. The only amazing part was when we were in Jaipur. It was smooth. It did not, like, a lot of my seniors were like, oh my god, living for 10 days with the same people is this and that, and nothing like that happened with us in Jaipur. Jaipur was the smoothest part of our trip. And it was such a good memory, honestly, because it was so like, ठीक है, किसी को चलना है चल सकता है, नहीं चलना है it's okay. Everyone was so chill कि ठीक है, I don't want to go, you guys can continue. It was not like मैं नहीं जाऊँगा तो तू भी नहीं जाएगी type of thing. Everyone was so amazing about it. These guys were a smooth team. I had a very amazing first time Jaipur experience. We did the work together, we roamed around together. Me and Kamakshi had such an amazing bonding like time, because we have similar tastes. It was just fun. Kamakshi and Dave were two people that I never thought I would talk to in my entire life, and then I had to spend like 10 days straight with them. And not that they are bad people or anything, but our circles never like intertwined or anything. But surprisingly, I had like good chemistry बोल लो या bond बोल लो with both of them. Our humors match. It was just amazing. I don't know, मेरे को नजर नहीं लगवानी, touch wood. Our group was incredible. And Mansi and Rutuja have been my friends for like a longer period of time, and we've worked together for so many projects that I knew कि हमारी chemistry तो set है. अब मैं आगे और बात करूँगी about CRD and what it is and all of that. देखो भाई, जुरी हो गई है. I know I did not record much because girl, we were exhausted. मेरी नोज पे रस्ट हो गई है. Fuck me. जूरी रिव्यू कैसी गई?
ऐसी आई और ऐसी गई.
और CRD इन जनरल कैसा गया?
CRD was so much fun. I had the most fun, the most unexpected people I actually connected. So yeah, it was really fun.
आउट ऑफ 10 क्या दोगे आप इसको?
Oh bhai, it would be with all these struggles, I'd still give it a 9.
Hi, what is up? So अब जो जुरी निपट गई है, let me give you a bit of a brief explanation of what just happened. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा vlog नहीं किया because माहौल was stressful, work बहुत सारा था, तो it was just not very nice to shove a camera in my teammates' face while they are trying to not kill each other and me. तो अब मैं आप लोगों को बताती हूँ CRD होती क्या है. द मेन थिंग दैट यू आर हियर फॉर, बिकॉज आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट none of you really care about how my CRD went, so it's fine, it's okay, it's chill. CRD is basically craft. फुल फॉर्म नहीं आता क्या? हाँ, मेरी रूममेट बता रही है. क्राफ्ट क्लास craft cluster documentation. It is like NIFT X Textile Ministry have this nice little collaboration where each department of the college need to go and learn an Indian handicraft. So I went for blue pottery. Basically क्या है, we went there, we had an artisan assigned to us, और फिर उस आदमी से हमको रोज मिलना था for 10 days, learn what they are doing, learn how things are done, XYZ, observe where things can get better. Handicrafts are declining, and our college as a design / fashion college, especially from that is a government college, it is sort of our job to understand how we can make things work better. So we start with secondary research, that is internet, Google search, all of that, refer books. I don't think anyone does that anymore, but yeah. Then we go to primary research, that is we went to Bapu Bazaar and XYZ bazaars जहाँ पे blue pottery मिलती है. So we went there and we were like, oh, how much this shit costs, where do you make it, who are your suppliers, who are your retailers, who are your manufacturers, all of that. That is primary research mainly. उसके बाद we went to our artisan, and then we went to him for 10 days straight, where we learned how things are made, who started it in their family and who started it before their family, XYZ. Pura back end research. And then we go into design research / how things can be sold and how things are sold currently, marketing, costing, history, SWOT, observations. There's just so much. I am actually posting that document on Behance. My first ever Behance post, Slay. So I'll link it down if you're interested in reading that. But that's about it. There is one thing I would ever tell anyone who's going on CRD. Firstly, record everything. Voice record whatever your artisan says. Have someone whose job is just to write down whatever the artisan says.
I'm not just saying that because of work. I'm saying that because we had legal matters that got solved because we had the voice note proof.
You don't know what you might need. एंड सेकेंडली एक इंसान को लगा दो तुम वीडियोग्राफी पे, जिसका आईफोन है वो बनेगा वीडियोग्राफर. उसका पूरा काम है चीज़ें रिकॉर्ड करना बिकॉज यू जस्ट नीड सो मच कंटेंट. We made a document that is like a documentation. One was a documentary. It was like a video format that I am thinking of posting on YouTube. अगर copyright claim ना लगे तो. And then we make a PPT. हमारे लिए बहुत hectic है. That is it. My experience was all in all a 9 out of 10. The only thing that I hate about it was the heat, the temperature, the problems that just arise. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so you know. My roommate hates it when I rap this shit, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you know every time I'm posting. And yeah, bye bye.